Once again, d square by dx means second order derivative. So order is 2. Degree further power is 1. Second question, d cube by dx cube order 3. Whole square is there. So degree 2. This one d square by dx square is there. So order is 2. Degree not defined because sin of dy by dx is there. Fourth one, what is the order? 1. Degree is also 1 because dy by dx is there. Understood? Two more questions, very very important. Order and degree of the differential equations. Copy it, everyone. Copy it seriously. Understood, Aditya?
Yes, sir.
Akash, are you following? Can I put next question?
Yes, sir.
Shweta, understood? Hema, following? Very
Rocky,
good.
ಅವ್ರು ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಹಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಕಣೋ, ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನೇ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೋಡು, ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನೇ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅವ.
See, d square y by dx square whole cube plus dy by dx whole square plus e power dy by dx is 0. d cube by dx square plus dx cube plus dy by dx plus y equal to 0. So, order degree. What is the first one order?
Order 2.
Very good.
Degree 3.
Degree not defined.
Not defined.
E power dy by dx is the degree not defined. ಹುಷಾರಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು.
Okay.
Second one again.
Order 3 degree 1.
d cube by dx cube whole power 1 ತಾನೆ, nothing is there whole power 1. So order 3 degree 1. d square by dx square whole cube plus dy by dx whole square plus y is equal to 0. What is the order? Bhavat?
2.
Degree?
3.
Order 2 degree 3. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. dy by dx was first order, d square by dx square was second order. Further, what is the power is there? That is called degree. First you can say order, next you can say degree. Understood? Wait fast. Any doubt, anyone? Can I move next question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. ಒಂದು 2-3 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಗೊತ್ತಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಒಂದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕು ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೀವೊಂದು ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ d square by dx square whole square plus cos of dy by dx is equal to 0 order degree next y triple dash whole square plus y dash whole cube plus y dash whole power 4 plus y power 5 is 0 y triple dash plus 2 y double dash plus y dash d square y by dx square whole cube plus dy by dx whole square plus sin of dy by dx plus 1 equal to 0. D square by dx square is equal to cos 3x plus sin 3x. Questions ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನೀಟಾಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. What is the order and degree ಹೇಳಿ everyone?
Order 2 degree not defined.
ಎಲ್ಲ 5 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಐದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ಫೈವ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. What is the answer for first one? D square by dx square whole square is there. That means second order. Order is 2, correct? Degree how much?
Not defined.
Not defined.
Correct. Second one here, order.
3.
Everyone 3 correct? Degree?
2.
2.
2, correct. Third one now.
Order 3.
3.
Degree?
1.
Order 3, degree 1, correct. Fourth one, order.
2.
2.
D square by dx square, 2 order. Degree?
Not
3.
defined.
No, not defined. Sin of dy by dx is there. You ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಅದನ್ನ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. Well, sin of dy by dx, cos of dy by dx, log of dy by dx, e power dy by dx. In this situation, you cannot consider degree. Understood, Akash? Yes. Guru, are you fine? Last one. Guru, last one answer ready?
2, 1.
2, 1, no? Correct. When sin of dy by dx, cos of dy by dx not defined. Here no dy by dx, only cos 3x sin 3x. So possible. Degree 2. So order 2, degree 1. Understand? Copy it. Copy it, everyone. Copy it, everyone. Completed?
Yes, sir.
So ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ order degree ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು. Mistake ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. Yes or no? Can I go to next concept?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಡೌಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್.
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
Right. Next concept. Next Rolle's theorem, mean value theorem, no? 3-mark question. Rolle's theorem question. Mean value theorem, MVT. 3 marks. Rolle's theorem and mean value theorem question. Verify Rolle's theorem for the function. Question they given like this. Verify Rolle's theorem for the function f of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 8, where x belongs to minus 4 comma 2. Copy question everyone. Verify Rolle's theorem. How to verify Rolle's theorem we will discuss now. 3-mark question. How to verify Rolle's theorem. See, a is minus 4, b is 2. F of a, f of minus 4. Minus 4 whole square plus 2 into minus 4 minus 8. 16 minus 8 minus 8. 16 minus 16 0. F of a 0. F of b, f of 2. 2 square plus 2 into 2 minus 8. 4 plus 4 minus 8. 8 minus 8 0. F of a is equal to f of b. We can proceed the problem. Okay. Consider f of x. What is the f of x given question? X square plus 2x minus 8. Differentiate with respect to x. F dash of x is equal to 2x plus 2. F dash of c is equal to 0. That means 2c plus 2 equal to 0. 2c is equal to minus 2. C is minus 2 by 2. C is minus 1. It is belongs to minus 4
comma 2.
Rolle's theorem verified. The bracket important, excluding bracket. I'm like one step up. A step in on the don't write it. Starting a new step or compulsory. What is the step means?
Minus 4 comma 2 is
on minus 4 comma 2 excluding including and differentiable on minus 4 comma 2 excluding symbol, this symbol excluding. This step ಬರ್ದೆ ನೀವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. What is the step? F is continuous on including 4 comma minus 4 comma 2 and differentiable on excluding minus 4 comma 2. ಅದಾದ್ಮೇಲೆ a value b value ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. f of a, f of minus 4, f of x ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರು. What is f of x value? x square plus 2x minus 8. ಈ x place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 4 minus 4 substitute ಮಾಡಿದೆ 0 ಬಂದಿದೆ. f of b, b place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 substitute ಮಾಡಿ x place ಅಲ್ಲಿ 2 square plus 2 into 2 minus 8. 8 minus 8 0. Both are equal. Proceed Rolle's theorem. If both are not equal, we are doing mean value theorem. Okay. Next f of x we consider x square plus 2x minus 8. Differentiate with respect to x. X square divided to 2x, 2x divided to 2. F dash of c substitute ಮಾಡಿ 2c plus 2 equal to 0. 2c is minus 2. C is minus 2 by 2. C is minus 1. Understood? Minus 1 belongs to minus 4 comma 2. ಇದು excluding bracket ಆಗಬೇಕು. Shweta, Sai Ganesh, good.
Yes, sir.
Aditya,
Yes, sir.
yes. Do it.
ಸರ್ ಈ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಕೊಟ್ರಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅದು ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸತಿ ಹೇಳಿ ಸರ್.
ಯಾವಾಗ ಈಗ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪೈ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ತಾನೆ, 2x ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ 2, 8 ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಡಿ. ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2c + 2 ತಾನೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸಿ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, 2c + 2 = 0, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 ಆಗಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ -2, c is -2/2 -1 belongs to -4, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಇದು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಲ್ವಾ. Therefore, Ross theorem verified. Understood, Aditya?
Yes, sir.
Complete. Do it one more time. 2 times ಮಾಡಿ. 1 time ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಅರ್ಧ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, 2 times ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅರ್ಧ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Do 2 times. Ross theorem ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ, mean value theorem ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ. Mean value theorem. ಆಕಾಶ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ Ross theorem?
Yes, sir.
One question. Verify mean value theorem. Verify mean value theorem. If f of x is equal to x square minus 4x minus 3 in the interval a comma b, where a is 1 and b is 4. Copy question. Where a is 1, b is 4. It's visible now clearly, everyone? Copy question. See, A is first step in F is continuous on 1, 4 including undifferentiable on 1, 4 excluding. This step ಮಾತ್ರ ಮರಬೇಡಿ, ಇದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಅದಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಬರ್ದೆ ನೀವು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಗೋ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್. ಮರ್ತು ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ when you are doing second time or third time problem also you write the first step. Even for Rolle's theorem agli mean value theorem agli compulsory you can write this step. F is continuous on including 1, 4 and excluding differentiable on excluding 1, 4. Next you can proceed the problem. How to proceed? F of A, F of 1. X plus 11 substitute ಮಾಡಿ 1 square minus 4 into 1 minus 3. 1 minus 7 minus 6. F of B, F of 4. In place of x 4 square minus 4 into 4 minus 3. 16 minus 16 minus 3. Both cancel minus 3. F of A not equal to F of B. Rolle's theorem alli F of B equal ಇರ್ತವೆ. mean value theorem alli equal ಇರಲ್ಲ. Proceed the problem. F of x consider ಮಾಡಿ x square minus 4x minus 3. Differentiate with respect to x. F dash of x is equal to 2x minus 4. X square into 2x ತಾನೆ 4x into 4 3 into 0. F dash of c ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2c minus 4. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇದೆ. F dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus c. ಅದಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ? What is f dash of c formula? F of b minus f of a by b minus c. F dash of c is equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus c. What is f dash of c value? 2c minus 4 is equal to what is f of b value? F of b is minus 3. F of a minus or minus plus 6 by 4 minus 1. 2c minus 4 is equal to 6 minus 3, 3 by 3. 3 by 3 means 1. 2c is 5. 5 by 2. 5 by 2 means 2.5 ತಾನೆ. It belongs to 1, 4. Mean value theorem verified. Previous question को equal to difference means Rolle's theorem f dash of c equal to 0. But in mean value theorem not f dash of c equal to 0. What is the formula for f dash of c? F of b minus f of a by b minus c. Substitute the values. 3 by 3 1 minus 4 right hand side plus 5 5 by 2 2.5. Understand? Do it everyone. Do it everyone. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? ಏನು ಮಾತಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಯಾರು?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್.
2 times ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ತಾನೆ? Do it 2 times. Rolle's theorem, out of 2 questions, 1 question compulsory for 3 marks. ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾತಾಡಿದೀನಿ, ರೋಲ್ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್, 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಯ್ತು. Do it fast. Completed everyone? Good time, Saita.
Yes, sir.
Next question, Varna. Next to second order derivative ಮೇಲೆ 5 mark question ಇದೆ, ಅದು ಮಾತಾಡೋಣ. Okay, 5 marks. Y is equal to tan inverse x whole square, comma show that x square plus 1 whole square y2 plus 2x, x square plus 1 y1 is equal to 2. Copy question. 5 more questions. 5 more.
ಪೆಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು 60 ರೂಪಾಯಿಗೆ ಅದು ಯಾರೋ ಬಾಟ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹಾಕಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಾಟ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು.
Copy question. See, how to explain? I'll explain very important 5 marks. Differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative y1, x square derivative 2x, 2 tan inverse x into tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. Chain rule. d by dx of x square 2x. Tan inverse x whole square means 2 tan inverse x into tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square. Cross multiply ಮಾಡಿ 1 plus x square into y1 is equal to 2 tan inverse x. ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ
with respect to x.
One more time differentiate with respect to x. This is u, this is v. U 1 plus x square into y1 derivative y2 plus y1 into 1 divided to 0 x square divided to 2x is equal to 2 into tan inverse x divided to 1 by 1 plus x square. Cross multiply 1 plus x square whole square y2 plus 2x y1 into 1 plus x square is equal to 2. Answer ಬಂತು. ಏನ್ ಸರ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಈಸಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರ 100% ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಸರ್ ಈ 5 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ 100% ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಓಕೆ ಇದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ y derivative y1 x square 2x tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square cross multiply 1 plus x square into y1 is equal to tan inverse x differentiate ಇದು u ಇದು v u 1 plus x square into v y1 derivative y2 plus y1 into 1 derivative 0 x square derivative 2x is equal to 2 into tan inverse x derivative 1 by 1 plus x square cross multiply 1 plus x square into 1 plus x square 1 plus x whole square y2 plus 2x y1 into 1 plus x square is equal to 2. Understood? So very important 5 mark question. Do it everyone. Do it seriously. Understand anyone? Akash, Guru, Aditya?
Yes, sir.
ಸರ್ ಯಾರಾದ್ರೂ ಅನ್ಮ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನೇ ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ ಸರ್.
ನೀವು ಪಿನ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಿ
ಸರ್
ಡಬಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮೇಲೆ ನಮ್ಮ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಮೇಲೆ ಡಬಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರು ಮಾತಾಡಿದ್ರು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಎಸ್ ಸರ್ ಈಗ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ.
ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಡಬಲ್ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ 5 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ 5 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಟ್ ಆ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ 5 ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬಂತಂದ್ರೆ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅದಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾವು ವೇಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್
Completed, sir.
ಓಕೆ ಅವತ್ತು ನೆನೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು ಅದು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ
Yes, sir. ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡೆ.
ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಎದ್ದೊಳಿ ನೀವು ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ವಿನ್ ಆಗೋದು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಸ್ಲೀಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ ಇದ್ರ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ವಿನ್ ಆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡೋದೇ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು ಹುಷಾರಿಲ್ಲ ಅನಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಎದ್ದೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ನಿಮ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾನೇ ಎದ್ದೊಳ್ದೆ ತಾನೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಒಬ್ಬರೇ ಅಲ್ಲ ಟೀಚರ್ನು ಹಾರ್ಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನಾನು ಬೇಗ ಎದ್ದೊಳಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಪಾಠ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ 100% ವಿನ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೀವು ನಾವು ಇಬ್ರು ಇನ್ನೊಂದು 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ y equal to 3 cos of log x plus 4 sin of log x. Show that x square y2 plus xy1 plus y equal to 0. Right question? X square y1 plus xy1 plus y is equal to 0. Right question, everyone? See, want to write the answer, everyone. Differentiate with respect to x. Y derivative y1. 3 into cos of log x minus sin of log x. Log x derivative 1 by x plus 4 into sin of log x cos of log x into log x derivative 1 by x. I repeat once again. Cos of log x minus sin of log x derivative 1 by x plus 4 into sin of log x means cos of log x into log x derivative 1 by x. X LCM minus 3 sin of log x plus 4 cos of log x. Cross multiply. xy1 is equal to minus 3 sin of log x plus 4 cos of log x. ಇಷ್ಟವರೆಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Cos of log x minus sin of log x, dear students. Log x derivative 1 by x plus 4 into sin of log x derivative cos of log x. Log x derivative 1 by x. X LCM ತಗೊಂಡೆ cross multiply ಮಾಡಿ. ಈ differentiate with respect to x ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದು UV formula two terms x into y1 derivative y2 plus y1 into x derivative 1. UV formula, dear students. This is UV formula. Right up to here. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಹೋಗೋಣ. x derivative x only, x into y1 derivative y2 plus y1 into x derivative 1 is equal to minus 3 into sin of log x cos of log x into log x derivative 1 by x plus 4 into cos of log x minus sin of log x into log x derivative 1 by x. ಸೇಮ್ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನು ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅದೇ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಮತ್ತೆ x LCM ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. xy2 plus y1 is equal, if you take x LCM, take minus as common, 3 cos of log x plus 4 sin of log x. Cross multiply ಮಾಡಿ x into x, x square y2 plus x y1 is equal to minus y. ಇದು ಪೂರ್ತಿ y ತಾನೆ given question. Minus y left hand side transfer ಮಾಡಿ. x square y2 plus x y1 plus y is equal to 0. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಸೇಮ್ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ 2 ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಈ ಕಡೆ ಏನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೋ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅದೇ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. sin of log x derivative cos of log x derivative 1 by x plus cos of log x derivative minus sin of log x derivative 1 by x. Take x LCM, cross multiply. x square y2 plus x y1 is equal to minus y. Transfer left hand side plus y. Understand? Do it. What is serious, everyone? Do 2 times. Practice aita? Can I move to next question, everyone? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No one is sleeping now. Everyone is wake up and listening now.
Yes, sir.
Given time for to practice. That's it. Okay. Next one. Y is equal to sin inverse x. Show that 1 minus x square into d square y by dx square minus x dy by dx is equal to 0. Very simple method. Differentiate with respect to x martin. Y derivative y1. Sin inverse x derivative 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Squaring on both sides money. Y1 square is equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square whole square. Square root to cancel. Y1 square is equal to 1 by 1 minus x square. Cross multiply money. 1 minus x square into y1 square is equal to 1. I did first order derivative. After that squaring on both sides ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ. Square root to cancel ಆಗಿದೆ. 1 by 1 minus x square ಬಂತೆ. Cross multiply ಮಾಡಿದೆ. 1 minus x square into y1 square is equal to 1. ಈಗ differentiate with respect to x ಮಾಡಿ. U, this is u, this is v. 1 minus x square into what is y1 square derivative? 2y1 into y2 plus y1 square into 1 derivative 0 minus x square into minus 2x is equal to 1 derivative 0. y1 common ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 2y1 common ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ 1 minus x square into y2 minus 2x 2 common ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ minus x into y1 is equal to 0. ಈ 2y1 ఇక్కడ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 0 by nothing 0. 1 minus x square y2 minus xy1 is equal to 0. Normal terms ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಬೇಕು means 1 minus x square into y2 means what? d square y by dx square. X into y1 means what? dy by dx is equal to 0. I repeat one more time. Sin inverse x derivative 1 by root of 1 minus x square ds students. Squaring on both sides ಮಾಡುವಾಗ square root cancel ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇದು cross multiply ಮಾಡಿ. ಇದು u ಇದು v. u 1 minus x square into v derivative y1 square derivative 2y1 into y1 derivative y2 plus y1 square into 1 derivative 0 minus x square derivative minus 2x. ನಿಧಾನವಾಗಿ ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಇಂದ 2y1 ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಈಗ 2y1 ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ ಏನು what is left? 1 minus x square into y2 is left minus ಈಗ 2y1 ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ minus xy1 is there. 0 by 2y1 0. 1 minus x square y2 minus xy1 is equal to 0. y2 means d square by dx square, y1 means dy by dx. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Do it. Complete everyone? Any doubt is there? 2 times Saita? Aditya understood?
Sir.